It is not necessary that penis is small or big for sexual intercourse. Some people feel inferiority in his brain caused by small penis. Because of that, they suffer from mental depression. The penis should increase in this condition because it is necessary. Treatment by different medicines. Clove. Mix cloves oil with olive oil and rub it on the penis. Except lion's penis, it increases the penis size. Bayberry. Grind bayberry with raw milk of buffalo milk and coat it on the penis at bedtime. Wash the penis in the morning with lukewarm water. Use this process. It increases penis size and makes strong too. Utangan. Filter ground seeds of utangan and grind it with water. Coat this preparation on the penis twice a day regularly. It makes the penis strong and fat. Owl left rose whey. Shuffle 7 grams owl left rose whey with raw milk of buffalo 4 times and make slight hot. Coat this paste on the penis and tie a cloth on it at night. The penis should be washed with lukewarm in the morning. Use this process. It makes the penis strong and increases its size. People. Cook people, lard, saffron and winter cherry with shalperni oil. The penis size becomes increased by coating it on the penis. Kidney bean. Make a paste by grinding charita, barley, kidney bean and long peppers with water. Coat this paste on the penis. It increases penis size and ends louseness of the penis. Wild eggs plant. Cook winter cherry, sweet flag, cactus root, wild eggs plant and asparagus gynecolidus with sesame oil. Coat this mixture on the penis. It increases size and shape of the penis. Kidney bean. Grind chimti, barley, kidney bean and long peppers with water. This medicine is very useful to increase penis size. Winter cherry. Cook cactus root, wild eggs plant, winter cherry, sweet flag and asparagus with sesame oil until burns all medicines, then put it down. Rub this preparation on the penis. It is useful to increase penis size. Muesli. Mix muesli powder with ghee and coat it on the penis. It makes the penis strong and big. Sugar candy. Grind sugar candy, rock and long peppers with milk. Thereafter shuffle it. Mix honey in this mixture and coat it on the penis. It is useful to increase penis size. Asparagus gynecolidus. Mix winter cherry, asparagus gynecolidus, cactus root, spikenard and catahali fruits with 4 foals milk or cook with oil. Coat this preparation on the penis. It increases size and makes the penis strong. Asafoetida. Mix ground asafoetida with ghee and apply it on the penis at bedtime. It is very useful to increase penis size. Utangan. Grind seeds of it with water and coat on the penis at bedtime. Wash the penis with lukewarm water in the morning. Use this process. It is useful for the penis. Malkangani. Mix ground toasted asafoetida with malkangani oil and rub it on the penis twice a day regularly. It makes the penis hard and fat. Dried leech. Mix 10 grams dried leech and scissors with 50 ml milk. Thereafter heat it. Rub this preparation on the penis. It ends louseness and increases penis size. Castor. Cook powder of castor seeds with sesame oil and rub it on the penis regularly. Use this process. It increases penis strength.